Hey guys, what's up? Thank you so much for coming in and wanting to hang out with me. I really appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, my name is Eve, and if you actually enjoy yourself and you like this video, I hope that you consider subscribing. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna really help me out, but the other positive is that I gain more friends. Okay, so on this channel, I kind of do everything. I do skincare, I do makeup, and I'm taking you on my fitness journey because I still have a long way to go, but I've lost a lot of weight and I've gained a lot of tips doing that. So today I'm going to make my favorite drink to stay hydrated. So just drinking water and my energy drinks, it's not enough for me. I can't just sip on water. I end up drinking like a couple of sips, that's it, because for some reason I can drink water in the gym while I'm working out. When I'm not working out, it's hard for me to drink water. I always drank diet soda. I cut that out completely, but I want that fizzy taste. I like flavor in my drinks, so this is what I do. So I was going to make it, and I figured why not hop on here and do it with you. So I have a 50-ounce Meoki. This one I like a lot. I've played around with cups, the ones that flip up. The one with the straw makes the biggest difference. And then I like that you put this on without the straw and it's leak proof. So then I can shake my drink and I can do that. So there's a lot of benefits, but you have to find the cup that you will actually drink out of. That is the biggest key. This may not, sorry for hitting this. If this doesn't work for you, find a cup that works for you. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the ice. I have about 9 cubes in here. And it goes to like right over here. Then what I do is I do my additives. So my favorite electrolytes, I have tried a lot. This is the only one I like, and I like the ingredients in it. It's the LMNT, and it's the watermelon salt. It has 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and then 60 milligrams of magnesium. So here it is. And every 50 ounce, I do a half a packet. I usually drink 2, but if my body really needs it and I feel it, I will go for a third. So I'm going to put half in here. And then what I do is I just fold it like this and I stick it in my fridge because ants will get in it if I don't. The other thing I add is this. I've tried other things. I like this is cheap and I like the flavor of it. I had another one. It was like Margaritaville strawberry flavor. I would burn through it and it was expensive because it was like single-use packets. So this one is Jordan Skinny Girl Mixes, 0 calories, 0 sugar, and I got the unicorn flavor. So it's a berry flavor. I just do 1 pump. That is plenty of flavor for me. Then I found a big benefit with me lifting weights, cardio, and everything else, adding creatine to my diet. Do research on your own. This is my favorite. This is the creatine by Concrete, and there's 100 servings in here, and it's pineapple flavor. Start off small, do a half scoop, and see what your body needs. For me, 1 scoop for every 50 ounce is what my body needs, but definitely start out with a half a scoop. Then I like this. This is the sparkling taste. If you want to make it more sparkly, you can add 2 cans. This is my favorite one. This is by Waterloo, and it's the sparkling water summer berry. I don't know why I didn't want to say it. This got damaged during shipping. I get it shipped from Sam's Club, so I get a giant pack of it. Hopefully this won't be hard to open. No. I only add 1 because these are pricey for me. And I cannot drink these on its own. Some people says it's enough flavor for them, not for me. It's like somebody farted fruit in water. That is my honest opinion. I cannot drink them alone. I tried, and that's why I created this mix. Now the rest is going to be water. Like I said, if you want to do 2 cans, if you want it very, very bubbly, that's fine. This is my recipe. And then I'm going to fill the rest up with water. Drink whatever water you like. If it's tap or you have your favorite bottled water. This is cheap as hell at Sam's and I like the flavor. Get it all the way to the top. As you can see, I only have this much left. And this one's the Member's Mark alkaline water. Then this is why I like this. I just mix it. Don't shake it because there's soda in it. You don't want to get it everywhere. Oh my God, that's so good. And if you like different flavors, look at the Skinny Girl mixes on here. Like I said, I've owned this for 3 months and it is, let me get it accurate, right over here still. So I have probably another 2 weeks of this. So this lasts forever and it's so much cheaper than the other flavor packets I got before. And I absolutely love it. But if you prefer a different one, they have tons of flavors. So this is my favorite drink. I hope that you try it and you enjoy it as much. I say whatever it takes for you to drink the water. So with this, I get 100 ounces of water, and that doesn't include the water I drink. I drink 2 of these when I'm working out at the gym, usually 1 while I'm lifting weights, and then 1 when I'm doing cardio. So I am getting other water, and I will drink 2 of these easy peasy. And it, like I said, if my body needs it, I will make a third, but usually 2 does it for me. And it hits the sweet treat for me. It gives me the right flavor. It makes me want to reach for it, because if it was just filled with water, I guarantee I would probably drink maybe this much water where the ice went. I am really bad at that. If you can drink water and you're perfectly happy doing that, but I believe when you're trying to lose weight, setting up things that you actually enjoy doing. I enjoy drinking this. So this is pleasurable for me, and that's what's worked with me. And today, I'm very happy to say it, total weight loss is 101 pounds. So I am so giddy about that. I still have a long way to go. I'm not really focusing on weight like I've told you before. I'm more focusing on how I look. I don't want to be extremely skinny. I want to be very muscular, and then not skinny, but lean. So I am changing my body how I want it to look, and I'm on the way there. I couldn't be happier. Thank you so much for coming in. Like I said again, if you can do me a favor, like this video, comment, share it. If you're not subscribed and you actually enjoyed this, please consider subscribing. It really means everything to me. I love you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. What it is going to be my health empties. So things that I've went through that I would tell you if I would repurchase, if it helped me, or it just sucked ass. I look forward to seeing you in that video. Bye.